What's up, guys? This is John for johnmcneil.com, and in this video I'm going to actually kind of take you back to the basics of affiliate marketing and kind of just go through the steps and the process and the strategy behind making $100 a day. Now guys, if you follow the strategy that I'm going to lay out for you in regards to how you need to structure your affiliate marketing business, there's no reason why you can't, generate $100 plus per day in your online business. So let's go ahead and get right into the video, guys, and start right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com, and what you're seeing in front of you is basically a depiction of what the average affiliate funnel looks like. So basically it starts with traffic. You go out and you do some Facebook ads, you do some SEO, you do some social media, and you drive traffic to a squeeze page in which you give away some free content, an ebook, a video, cheat sheet, and then from there you start to sell your product, right? So then there's your follow-up email sequence. You have promo 1, promo 2, promo 3, promo 4, promo 5, however emails you have to promote that product. But there's a few problems with this actual model that you're looking at. So number one is you're not nurturing a relationship with your list. So as the people are coming through, they're basically going through this squeeze page, they're coming onto a list, and you're just trying to sell. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that that free content that you're giving, a lot of affiliate marketers now, to be honest with you, they don't even give you any free content. They basically just take the traffic, send you through the squeeze page directly to the offer, is what I've been basically seeing a lot out here. But really when you send them through the squeeze page, it really should be some free content that is actually some really good stuff that could actually help them out. And then you start doing some promotions. And then the second thing that's wrong with this model is you're not offering enough or different converting offers. So for instance, maybe you're trying to sell a course on Facebook advertising, right? So you send them to the squeeze page and then you're promoting that Facebook course. Well, what if I'm one of those people that I don't want to do Facebook, or I don't like Facebook? Maybe I want to learn Instagram, or maybe I want to learn SEO or blogging or something like that. So what you do have to realize is that once you actually take them through like an initial sequence of that product, that first initial product that you're trying to sell them, you need to also kind of take them through like another a sequence of another product, because that product may be the winning product that they actually like. And then the third problem is you're not profiting due to not having any high ticket back end products. Most people are trying to sell something between $7 and maybe $47 on this front end promotional sequence, and that's fine to start with. But if you really want to kind of get into the bigger profits where you're actually making a lot more money in your business, you also need to be selling some of those mid to high ticket products in your funnel. So basically what it should really look like is once the traffic, you send some traffic to a squeeze page, you give them some free valuable content, something that's actually going to help them out, and then you do the promo. And so say this first promotion was about the Facebook advertising course. Okay, some people bought and then some people didn't, and then maybe you wait a couple days and then you start a new sequence. But in this new sequence, instead of sending them straight to the promotion offer, so say on this new sequence you're going to sell the Instagram course, right? Before you send them to the Instagram course, go and give them like 1 or 2 pieces of content to show them how Instagram can help you brand yourself, how you can get traffic to your website from Instagram. Give them 2 little pieces of content. This goes a long way before you get them to this next promotional email, right? And now you can go in and say, okay, I've taught you some content here, I sent you some content here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and try to sell you the Instagram course. And so basically it would just continue on, like going down this kind of soap opera sequence where you did your first sequence where you send them, you know, traffic, you send them to the squeeze page, you try to sell your product about Facebook, right? And some bought, some didn't. Now you gave them some more content, you know, you're building relationships, you're nurturing, you gave them some more content. Now you went back into the promo mode where you're trying to sell them the Instagram course. So you're doing promo 1, promo 2, promo 3, promo 4, however many emails you put in there. And then you go back into content. That content may be on how to do list building, and then you show them how, you know, the importance of list building, how you can make money from your list, etc., etc. And then you sell them on the course for list building, and then you just continue to go through this process, you know, over and over and over again, and you sell, you know, multiple products because you don't know, you know, what everybody on your list is going to be super interested in, right? So you got to give them a little bit of variety, because if all I'm selling is the initial Facebook course, and I've sold to everybody that wants to buy it, then I'm basically just going to be sending, you know, the same emails about the same Facebook course forever and forever, and that just doesn't make any sense. So I know that all of that sounds you know, convoluted and confusing, and like, how do I get all of this set up? Well, I actually want to give you guys some training. I'll have a link in the description under this video. One of my buddies actually set up a system kind of like this where you know, all of this is kind of done for you. All the different promotions, all the different products, the follow-up emails, you can even get the traffic done for you. So I wanted to get this training in the hands of you guys. I actually went through this training a while back, and it resulted in, you know, thousands of dollars of me earning with this system. And I may even do another follow-up video actually kind of showing you guys some of those results as well. So anyways, you can check that training in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, follow the new you know, affiliate funnel model where you're doing promotions, you're giving content, and then you're selling some different products, and definitely add in some higher ticket products so that you can go ahead and increase your revenue. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Smash that like button, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.